Now we're going to talk a little bit about the arm muscles. So, as mentioned, this is a very physically demanding sword. And I keep reminding myself of this one phrase. So, if you've watched Star Wars Episode 3, there's, in the initial space fighting battle, there's a part where the Separatist ship gets damaged and it's headed towards the planet, and Grievous says, "Fire the emergency booster rockets." And they do that thing, the ship rights, and everything is good again. And emergency booster rockets are amazing. The reason we don't use them all the time? Limited fuel. Everything from here down, we should call these emergency booster rockets. Okay? Very limited fuel in the forearm muscles. You will burn out your forearm if you're swinging incorrectly. So, what we want to do is we want the power of our cuts to be coming from our back leg. So we're going to drive our back leg, put power into our arm, drive our back leg to power the thrusts. We can do this with turns of the hips. That's also very good. Very interestingly, if you want to hit something hard, you can also sink the hips. And it transfers a surprising amount of power into the sword. You're going to see Meyer with tons of really weird, super low to the ground positions. I think that he's accomplishing two things: avoiding after blows and putting power into his sword through gravity. When we parry, we want to parry with turns of our hip. So when we parry, we're not swinging our hand around. When we parry, we want to turn the hips, leaving this arm relatively still. It will move some. Okay? And we want to parry using the power of our pectoral muscle and our lat. So we're parrying using these muscles, not shoulders, not arms. Sometimes we run into a problem. We've mal-parried, or we've got our opponent in a good position, but there's only a narrow window.